Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I am going to show you how to fix Excel cannot open the file because the file format or the file extension is not valid. So this is a common problem some faces. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first of all, be sure that your file is not corrupted or you are using the correct extension, that is xlsx. So now let's fix the problem. So select the file that you want to fix, right click it here and now go to properties, and here you can see the option security. Go there and now select the edit option here, select edit, and here you have to select the add option here and select. Now after selecting the add option, select this advanced option here and now select the find now here. Just click that option, find now, and here you can see on the left side there are a bunch of options. You have to find the option everyone. Just scroll down a little bit. Here's the option everyone. Select it and click OK here, and after clicking it just click OK, and here select all of this. Just select allow and select apply and then select OK, and now just click OK. And after doing all of this, your file will now open and your problem will be fixed in this way, and you can open your Excel file. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.